Did you know one vacation rental went from 40% occupancy to 95% just by fixing their air conditioning? Sarah was practically in tears when she called her husband Mike from their rental property. For months, guests were leaving horrible reviews. People complained about hot, stuffy bedrooms, loud air conditioning that never stopped running, and uncomfortable nights. Their bookings dropped so low they had to slash their rates just to get anyone to stay. Then their property manager suggested trying something called AC Flush System Efficiency Restoration instead of replacing the whole unit. 3 weeks later, Sarah couldn't believe the reviews coming in. Guests were writing things like hotel quality air conditioning and whisper quiet operation. One review said the bedroom stayed perfectly cool all night. Another guest mentioned the air felt so fresh and comfortable. Now they're booked solid at premium rates. Other rental owners in their area keep asking what their secret is. The property management company said they've never seen such a dramatic turnaround from just restoring system efficiency. Ask your HVAC technician about ACF Flush.